Hey everyone, if you're looking to reset your account in the First Descendant, I have got you covered. Whether you want a fresh start or just clean up your progress, here's everything you need to know. What is a account reset? The account reset features allow you to completely delete the First Descendant game data from your Nexon ID. But don't worry, this only affects the First Descendant and all your other Nexon games will remain untouched. To initiate the reset, follow the steps. Open the game menu by pressing ESC. Go to Options and Account. Select Account Reset. Before proceeding, make sure to review the important details. The reset process takes 3 days to complete. During this time, you can log in and cancel the reset if you change your mind. Once completed, all game data, including currency and items, will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. After the reset is finalized, you can start fresh by creating a new character and going through the tutorial again. And that is it. Now you know how to reset your account in the First Descendant. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.